incorrectly. Hopefully when I go to edit it I'm correct. But I just got my winter Alltrue box today, so I wanted to go ahead and open it with you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a cute like wintry pattern. And then when you open it up, that's like the inside, all nice and packaged like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. This has a thing where you can like win an annual membership by submitting some stuff. This is the guide to the box. So it's got like different like little things in it about what you got, some stuff like that. But I'm ready to get into what I actually got. So go ahead and open it up. Oh, and they have this like cute postcard in there. So that's one of the things they give you. So to start off with, I got these really nice socks from Pudas. I'm not really sure, but they're slipper socks. And they're really soft, and they have like the textured bottoms so you don't slip because we have like wood floors. So I got these, and these are really nice. Apparently they like trap heat and stuff, so I always like some nice socks for winter and they're really cute, so I picked these. The next thing that I have in here is this. It is from, I don't know how to say it, it's from Lejo Bar. It's a female-owned, born and raised in New Haven, Connecticut. Ivan Padilla set out to merge her creativity, Latina heritage, and love of showers to create a line of plant-based products that engage the senses and elevate the spirit. So apparently like they're handcrafted and everything. And they're basically shower steamers. These are in eucalyptus. Can't really smell them a ton through here, but so apparently you activate the steamer with water, you place it at the base of the shower floor or in a soapy dish away from direct stream, and it'll make your shower, and it says make your showers nice and steamy for the best results. So I got this. I'm interested to try it. I've never tried these before. So I might do like a review or something of them on my blog. I'll let you guys know, like just keep an eye out for that. So I have that. The next thing I have in here are these silicone muffin cups. I've wanted these for a while and I saw they had them, so I was just like, oh my god, I want to do these. So you can use them as lunchbox dividers, molds for confection perfection, or to bake muffins and cupcakes. So they literally are just like these little silicone baking cups. So instead of using the paper ones, you can use these, and they come in a bunch of like pastel-y colors. So I am extremely excited to try these. They're made from 100% food grade silicone, heat safe up to 428 Fahrenheit, great for picky eaters, and easy to clean, dishwasher safe. So I'm excited to try these out. I might have to make some cupcakes or something to try them. The next thing I have in here is this. It's in like this little bag. It's from Lark and Ives, and it is a wallet. I have been wanting a new wallet, and I wanted something a little smaller than what I currently have. So this has got like all these like little spaces inside and everything for the cards, which I needed, but it's a ton thinner than what I currently have. And then it's got like the little zipper on the back and everything. And I feel like this really matches my like fall winter aesthetic, so I'm very excited for this. I'm probably going to go ahead and switch everything over to it, and it also feels like very nice, like the quality is really good. So that's the next thing in here. I also picked up this jewelry. I think these are earrings, I remember now. So I picked up these earrings. They're kind of like long and dangly. They looked kind of cute, so I was just like, you know, I think I'm going to try these. They're from Lamino, I think. Yeah, Lamino jewelry. So that's the next thing in here. See if I can gently get them back in here. So I'm excited to wear those because they're super cute. So I got those. And then the last thing in here is this, and I actually don't remember what this one is. Oh, okay, now I remember. So the last thing that I chose for this box, sorry about like all the ruffling, is the Untitled Yoga. It's a super grip, non-scuff suede foldable yoga mat. It has a suede top, it's comfortable, non-scuffing, foldable, latex and phthalate free and durable. So it says, perform even the most complex exercises with ease. The Yoga Mat offers a great comfort with soft suede feel. Our non-scuff and durable material provides extra stability to go practice your pose at home or on the go. Soft brush, the care instructions are soft brush, gentle soap, cold water, and air dry. So I'm going to take this off so I can unfold it. So this is the mat. It's actually much longer than the other one I have, so that will be nice, but it's in like just this nice kind of teal color. So I'm very excited to try that out. And yeah, and it has like the logo on it. So that is all of the items that I received in my box. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!